Want to make insanely cinematic videos like Fern using Gemini AI? In 60 seconds I'll show the exact workflow pros use. Combine cinematic color grading, smooth camera moves, and AI B-roll. The result is premium, dramatic footage that stops the scroll. For steps, capture clean plates, prompt Gemini, refine the grade, finish with sound. Ready? Let's dive into Step 1. Step 1, shoot simple, clean plates at 24 frames with slow, purposeful moves. Step 2, prompt Gemini like a director, include mood, camera angle, and reference frames. Step 3, generate AI B-roll for impossible angles, matching lens and color. Step 4, refine the grade, push contrast, sculpt highlights, add soft film grain. Polish with dynamic string hits, punchy cuts, and animated scribble captions for emphasis. One test shot, iterate with Gemini, polish the grade, then publish with confidence.